The error code P03 or 6000 on Canon inkjet printers is often a paper jam error. More specifically, an object, paper or something else that prevents the cartridge holder from moving properly, but it could have several causes. To begin, the universal reparation method: power off the printer. Detach the electrical cable. Wait 5 minutes. Reinsert the electrical cable. Power on the printer and see what happens. If the error code remains, turn off the printer. Open the cover and search for any small piece of paper or tiny object inside the printer. Look inside the paper feed. In the description you'll find a video about what to do if the printer says paper jam, but there is no paper in it. Verify that the paper tray is correctly set. Remove the ink cartridges and reseat them. Clean the printheads. Check if the printer cover is correctly closed. Clean the encoder strip with a soft cloth and alcohol. It's the mylar strip parallel to the belt that moves the ink cartridge holder. If the encoder strip is dirty, the ink holder will not move correctly, making the printer believe there is something blocking the carriage. Clean the encoder wheel. It's the transparent wheel on the left. There could be grease or other dirty. Check if there is build-up of ink inside the printer and clean it. The problem could be also a paper flag sensor broken or out of position. In the description of the video you will find a link to a video about this topic. Try to power off the printer and gently move the carriage by hand back and forth several times. Move by hand the gear on the left. If nothing works, one of these parts could be faulty. Timing sensor unit, PE sensor, timing slit disc film, feed roller assembly, logic board, paper feed motor. Hope it helps and good luck.